Today, we are gathered to commission a number of boreholes constructed for 9 communities and also a community health post that we have constructed to serve all the surrounding communities of Fungzai. We are not just here to commission a building or boreholes, but to open a future of the provision of potable water to our communities and also open a door to good health and dignity as well as well-being of many women and children in Fungzai and the surrounding communities. The borehole, no doubt, will provide clean water for our people. As far as I'm concerned, to my years in this world, even before me, some have not seen clean water. But we want to thank God that today, some of them have seen clean water and they are going to drink clean water. The community health post behind me will be a place where everyone can receive prompt treatment for small illnesses like malaria, and our elderly persons will regularly check their status, like their blood pressure and sugar level. It is good for us to check some of these things so that we will prevent unwanted death. This project is part of the Chief of the Naval Staff Quick Impact Project, which is facilitated for senior officers in their community. This is to win the hearts and minds of the people as part of the Nigerian Navy's efforts to civil-military cooperation. Now, having been part of this community from my early years, I am deeply aware of the basic necessities of Fungzai community and other communities around. Therefore, as the opportunity presented itself, and in consultation with so many members, the royal fathers, and also communities available, we have come to the conclusion that there is need to provide boreholes for clean water and also a healthcare post that we think is most appropriate. So now, what does this healthcare post behind me represent? It represents a first line of defense. It will serve as a first line in disease prevention, health education, and basic curative cure. It will also handle basic treatment of common illness and regular checkups for our elderly members. It will also form a bridge for greater care. This post will serve like an initial phase 8 clinic, where from here you can get a referral to either Mangu or in Jos. But rest assured that it will take care of your basic illnesses.
These projects are avenues for the Nigerian Navy to honor its accomplished senior officers and an indication that beyond physically securing lives and properties, we are committed to serving the interests of Nigeria through other ways. Today's commissioning of the Chief of Naval Staff's Special Quick Impact Project undertaken by an illustrious son of Fungzai community, Rear Admiral Zakaria, is yet another watershed in the Nigerian Navy's civil-military cooperation annals. Today's project is the construction of 9 AfriDev manual boreholes and community health posts at Fungzai community in Mangu local government area of Plateau State. Not only does this project resonate with the vision of His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Nigeria, it aptly captures the essence of the quick impact projects as conceived by the Nigerian Navy. It was Roy Bennett that said, "Be the reason someone smiles, be the reason someone feels loved and believes in goodness of people." And Maya Angelou added, "It takes courage to be kind." Indeed, Rear Admiral Zakaria's choice to put smiles on the faces of the community typifies Maya Angelou's avowed kindness that takes courage. We therefore salute the senior officer's method and urge him on to more humanitarian endeavors. With the novelist Robin Sharma's words, that each person who delivers kindness stays with us forever. Convinced that this project will enhance the quality of lives in this community, I believe that the senior officer and indeed the Nigerian Navy will certainly not be hurriedly forgotten in this community. While commending the senior officer for completing the project on schedule, I congratulate Rear Admiral Zakaria and the Fungzai community for this noble project. I wish to enjoin the beneficiaries, that is the community, to please use the facilities responsibly, so that while they will endure, we appeal that in keeping with the tenets of civil-military cooperation, the good people of this community and Plateau State at large continue to collaborate with the Nigerian Navy, the Armed Forces of Nigeria, and other security agencies as we eliminate threats to our collective well-being. Let me acknowledge the massive support from the community and the Plateau State government from the commencement of this project till date. I, on behalf of the CNS, sincerely appreciate everyone that worked to make this event a reality. At this juncture, and with joy in my heart, I wish to most respectfully, at this point, declare that this project is ready for commissioning.
And what we will do in this clinic is teach women how to do simple ORS. And I see among the drugs, we have a lot of ORT. So the simple things, or the simple knowledge we need to do, or we need to learn in making ORT, you need just 1 liter of water and then the sachet, and you mix them. Anytime a child is passing stool and is vomiting, just give it to the child before you take him to the hospital. Most of the things that kill these children is dehydration, lack of water. As they pass water out of their mouth, they pass it through their anus, water get finished in their body. So the simple thing you can do is to replace that water that is being lost. That simple thing can save a child's life.
The OS Fagbemi, the sector commander of this community. I'm so happy today that the project facilitator is my senior brother, my godfather, my mentor. And fortunate enough, the project, the special guests of honor too, were all product of Nigerian Military School Zaria. And part of my contribution to this event is our non-kinetic approach line of operation, which is the civil military cooperation to win the hearts and minds of the people. Earth is wet, and this particular project will have a lot of impact on the community. To support the project facilitator, I'm donating drugs for the kids of this community and the elderly people.
We really appreciate all what you have done, my son. You see, the evangelism is not meant for pastors alone. You have done touching life and changing life of the people. I stand with 2 cups, one for His Royal Highness, His Majesty, John Putman, MNI, who said when we went to visit him and you, he said he appreciates what you have done. That he never knew we have a son that has grown so high, taller than him in the army. And he said he really appreciates you. That if we have kind of people like you in Mangu land, Mangu would have been more than what we are today. He said, I should tell you again that he will never forget about you.